We are going through MCQ questions from the section of classical mechanics. The first question is the constraints involved when a particle restricted to move along a curved surface are നാല് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. നോൺ ഹോളോനോമിക്, ഹോളോനോമിക്, ബോത്ത് എ ആൻഡ് ബി, നൺ ഓഫ് ദിസ്. The answer is holonomic. Option B, holonomic is the right answer. Second question, the relation summation Fi applied minus Pi dot del Ri is equal to 0. Options: Hamiltonian principle, Lagrangian principle, D'Alembert's principle, none of this. The answer is D'Alembert's principle. That is summation over Fi applied minus Pi dot del Ri is equal to 0. That is D'Alembert's principle. Next question, if the system is in static equilibrium, then virtual work done by all the applied forces vanishes when summation over Fi applied dot del Ri is equal to 0 is called dash. Options: principle of virtual work, principle of superposition, both A and B, none of these. The answer is principle of virtual work. Option A is the right answer. Next question, which of the following is the Lagrange's equation of motion? നാല് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. d by dt of dou L by dou qj dot minus dou L by dou qj equal to 0. That is the right answer. That is option A is the right answer. Next question, if T is the kinetic energy and V is the potential energy of the system, then Lagrangian of the system is given by the equation L is equal to options T plus V, T minus V, T minus 2V, T plus 2P. T plus 2V. The answer is T minus V. That is option B is the right answer. That is L is equal to T minus V. Question number 6. A coordinate which does not appear in the Lagrangian is called options free, generalized, cyclic, holonomic. The answer is option C, cyclic. Question number 7. Dash constraints explicitly depends on time. Options: Raynomous, Scleronomous, holonomic, non-holonomic. The constraints which explicitly depends on time is called Raynomous constraints. Next question, the Lagrange's equation for LC circuit is, നാല് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, L into d square q by dt square minus q by c is equal to 0. Option B, L into d square q by dt square plus q by c equal to 0. Option C, LC into d square q by dt square minus q by c equal to 0. Option D, LC into d square q by dt square plus q by c equal to 0. The answer is option B, L into d square q by dt square plus q by c equal to 0. That is option B. Option B is the right answer. L into d square q by dt square plus q by c equal to 0. Question number 9. Constraint in a rigid body is options: holonomic, scleronomic, non-holonomic, both A and B. The answer is option D, both A and B. That is holonomic and scleronomic. Question number 10. If T is the kinetic energy, phi and A are magnetic and scalar potential. Phi magnetic scalar potential and A magnetic vector potential, then the Lagrangian of a charged particles in an electromagnetic field is, നാല് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ, L is equal to T plus Q phi plus Q into V dot A. L is equal to T minus Q phi minus Q into V dot A. L is equal to T minus Q phi plus Q into V dot A. Option D, L is equal to T plus Q phi minus Q into V dot A. The answer is option C. The answer is option C. That is L is equal to T minus Q phi plus Q into V dot A.